All right, kiddos are all dropped off. I have the hand, mouth, foot. The kids have been cleared. I've been taking care of them to the point where I got it. So I'm probably gonna go drive and do a Target pickup because I don't want to have to leave the house until I have to pick up the kids. I want to be able to film as much as I can in case it does get worse. So I gotta go home and film all the content that needs to get done.
Can I get started for you?
Can I get the holiday cookie signature latte, medium, light ice? And then instead of the whipped cream, can I get the cold foam cookie butter?
Okay.
I haven't tried the holiday cookie signature latte substitute with cold foam cookie butter. So good. At Target, underestimated that the probably holidays it's not ready. Didn't do the pickup, so let's go ahead and change and clean up this really dirty house I'm working with, and I can't find my headphones, so I'm just gonna do the next thing that actually motivates me, which is watch YouTubers clean their house so I can clean my house. Change into like my long tee, leggings. Do not get one of these because I can't get this in the, I have to like, I need to get one of those little cups to use, but second load of laundry, let's go. Laundries are going, time to keep cleaning. All right, I'm running out of time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tinkle this floor, clear out everything I can do, go take a shower, and get into filming and more work. All right, I have to go ahead and film this. I just unboxed this ancient India. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. This is the second time I'm running it. Unload this, load this in, and maybe start another load if I have another load ready to go. All right, well, my hair is semi-dry. I'm gonna let it air dry, but I'm gonna put the cushions back on, put all this back together, and then I'm going to go ahead and make coffee. There's more stuff that got delivered I have to make videos on, so I gotta continue all that. Cushions are back on. It looks a lot better, but I have to jump straight into work, so let's make coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and film this next. I just filmed the training cup, hair stuff, and I have a lot of stuff to do here. A little after, obviously still dirty over there. set up here to work, and then it's just looking a lot cleaner. Things are kind of put away, but yeah, lots of work to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and film this next. All right, I'm gonna try to brain dump a lot of stuff, prepare for 2025. Just picked up the kids, but I need a minute. I forgot all their milks and everything that they kind of love to sip on right when I picked them up. Forgot it. But let's go ahead and probably head home. Eddie's still working. The other one's grunting because he wants, so we gotta get going.